We are teetering on the brink of a complete collapse of our grid. This will spell disaster for our entire country.
Valihoro la DA vari na wane tiswanga usiko kawa mtakasi usina musi. Maranga panda valihoro ilo wa Johnston Hessen vari zazino chipinga charu wana tundululwa ya tshihadfu.
The time for ideology is over. It's now time to deliver.
Boston Hessen vari bakutota komiti ya rushaka erabasana hona zomtakasi chiparadziwa. Hujeniswe vadivi vadimisonga bote varenga ndando wachumoi. Komiti hii ndine yarangiwa nga varengi baurwane panabapaka mihashi ya mvuso. Ini ya koranga pandanga murangu na murwane ofisini ya Presidente Philip Baleni.
This crisis calls for outside industry experts to now take over and lead the way. What we are proposing today is that the President immediately dissolve the National Energy Crisis Committee and appoint in its place an outside industry expert.
Valihoro la DA wasasalaza Presidente wa Ramaphosa kazuna phindu kundelwa zoba pulupedzisa. Presidente voditande vadzonga mwezi wa Fulwana ya utandula thaedzo ya mtakasi wa chipinga chirapu. Nao zoraro va Eskom putetivaza maitere oshimisa mtakasi nga utosirisana usikushuma lutaro vorati kana 6 mapurena vege usika murova. Zazino va Eskom votasitsela luta roborati utsela ka luta robutano zine varengi va mtakasi voitavo na utaisa upfiwa havo kama siatari abudavizani hune vapfana vusinyiwa vukuma zichezo raro Ramaphosa volicha utangalwendo ro United States huitela uvuya utandulula tande ili.
In 2015, he famously promised us all that in another 18 months we'd forget that these electricity challenges have ever happened. Since then, he has not stopped telling us in sona after sona how much progress has been made and how much Eskom has been put on a path to recovery. We now know that none of this is true.
Valorili waitabo kwerero ka President ya uriba pandera Minister wa zwikona minarara na fufuru pokwete Mantashe.
The second is the firing of Minister Mantashe. It is incomprehensible that he has managed to remain in this crucial position despite these multiple failures.
Sasa President ya bubuya ngamuraha musiwa General Mushumo wa Mburungo wa Kosikazi wa Elizabeth wa Wiri nge London.